guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and unboxing of the New Balance XC-72s. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up. We want to see those likes. It helps us with the algorithms. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. And I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank our subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this. So thank you. Let's get into it. So today we've got a look at the New Balance XC-72s. We've got this in a US size 8, so a UK size 7.5, and it's a UK, oh forgive me, it's a European 41.5. And the colorway, sorry, I need to double check because New Balance don't showcase what colors they've got. Spring Tide Eclipse. This is the Spring Tide Eclipse colorway. Here we go. Tide because it's blue. Right there. Now guys, now the silhouette here, it takes shape from the 327, one of New Balance's most popular sneakers now. I keep seeing it everywhere. We've done tons of reviews actually, so check out the reviews right there if you get a chance. And this reminds me of that and a lot of 70s racers. Look at there. And guys, you can't escape New Balance at the minute. This is probably one of the hottest sneaker brands at the moment. Again, as I mentioned with the 327, this reminds me of a 327 because of the shape. Again, check out our reviews, we've done it before. And essentially the XC-72 is made out of, or takes inspiration, forgive me, of past New Balance silhouettes, which we'll get into all those details right now for you. So if you look at the outsole, so this outsole is an all rubber outsole. However, as you can see, it's vertically split here, and essentially it's got two traction patternings. So right there with the spiky parts is part of the XC-15 or XC-17 right there. And where you can see the studs is taken from the New Balance 375s, and that rubber material and the traction patterning, it continues all the way up towards the toes. And the midsole unit is made out of foams, and you can see by the shape of it, it is inspired by a car design. Again, you can see similar shapes on the New Balance 327s. Moving along onto the upper, so that's where we get a lot of the hairy suedes, where the light blues are, and the red N, where the New Balance is, that's the leather. And what's great about these leathers is that it's made from the leather working group, which a responsible leather group, more sustainable with the leathers that they get. You can see it around here with the hairy suede, and it's at the heel as well. The heel clip is made out of rubber, and the herringbone traction patterning that you can see there is reminiscent of the New Balance 620. Lacing system, so you got flat laces, normal lacing system incorporated there. You got your choice between these white laces and these light blue. New Balance logo on the tongue is heat pressed on with the plastics. Got your spongy New Balance tongue as well. Again, reminds me of those 70s runners that you can find, those retro styles. Again, like the shape of this sneaker as well, it reminds me of the 70s runners. Great colorway, especially in the blue and the reds. The red complements it. Just underneath the N, you can see the meshes. So this is made out of textile materials. At the heel, you got two hits of suede, so you got the hairy suede with the light blue and this black suede that's there just behind it. The tongue, very nicely padded, and it's got the XC-72 logo right there. Nicely padded ankle support, and overall a very nice sneaker. Reminds me of all these 70s, your 327s. Again, it's an amalgamation of a lot of sneakers. And you see that split where I showed you on the outsole, it continues all the way right there. And it kind of harmonizes the sneaker because obviously it's different there, but when you go onto the upper, it's all one unit. Great sneaker to look at. Again, I'm gonna keep saying it reminds me of 327. I only say that because it's probably one of the hottest sneakers. I keep seeing it on my way to work. I see it on my travels all over England, all over the UK and London. I've seen loads of people wear it. And this hopefully is no different. Hopefully we see more people wear these. I was a big fan of the 327. I thought they were really comfy. So I've got high expectations for these XC-72s. So roll that footage of me trying these on. When it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get your true to size fit. I'm a UK size 7.5 and these fit really well. My toes are where they need to be. Very comfy. Again, I'm gonna compare it to the 327, guys. I'm so sorry, but it does feel like a 327, the way that it's shaped and the comfort as well. Looks really cool on as well. For those wondering, I'm wearing a pair of Carhartt jeans. Don't really know the specific model, I'm afraid, but they're from Carhartt. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end. Until next time, peace.